Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor 3W and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. Here we are in the Pro mode and it gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. We are in white balance feature, so we can control the temperature of our picture, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. Now we are on auto white balance. We can pick also incandescent light, fluorescent light. By sliding to the right on this settings bar we can pick also warm fluorescent, then daylight, cloudy light, twilight and shade, so you can pick whatever you need here. Now let's stay on the auto and let's move to this button with ISO. We get access to other slider now, and here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right more sensitive to 1/6000 of it, so I think this spectrum is enough for this kind of camera. We can of course go back to auto. And the last one button here is the exposure, so we can manage the light of our picture by going to the right. We can make our picture more bright, as you can see. By going to the left on these buttons we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameters, so we are again on auto exposure. And now let me use the settings to take a picture. So for example, let me pick the twilight, the ISO 200 and the exposure -1. To see the picture, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.